Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now in this video, let me show you how to use your Monzo virtual card to pay with your phone. Now depending on the phone that you have, whether it's an iOS or an Android, there are different ways to set it up, but the main thing is for you to go ahead and connect your Monzo card. To do that, make sure that you have Monzo downloaded on your mobile phone because it allows you to go ahead and easily find that account when you are adding that virtual card. Now we're actually going to go into wallet right here or Google Wallet in Android. And then we're going to go ahead and click on the plus button right here. Now there are options right here. We can either go ahead and click on debit or credit card, or we can go ahead and click on Monzo right here. As you can see, it has managed to find the Monzo app itself. So I'm just going to go ahead and use that. Now it will go ahead and validate mine facial recognition, and then I can go ahead and click continue. Now this will give us that option to go ahead and add the card into the wallet. So we can go ahead and click on next. It will then go ahead and contact the card issuer and then just go ahead and read through the Apple Pay terms and conditions and then click on agree. Now, if you have other connected device, you can go ahead and add them in here, or you can just go ahead and add to other devices later. And here you are. Here is your card. You can go ahead and start using this to pay your phone without needing the physical wallet itself. And there you go. I hope you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.